Today I'm having company. It's you. Welcome back into my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a apple crisp with a little bit of ice cream, and you've got a masterpiece. Let's get started. I just realized that I just did not film. I did not have my camera on while I was cutting my apples. But anyway, we're making an apple crisp. So I have an 8x8 sprayed casserole dish, and I've got my peeled green apples, 2.5 pounds. I forgot to turn my camera on while I was peeling them. I was talking away and the camera was not on. But anyway, so these are peeled, and now we're going to slice them up and put them in our casserole dish. You can use any kind of apple. And you can use a little apple slicer. I'm just using a knife, doing it the old-fashioned way. Not too thick, not too thin. Okay, now we have our apples all sliced. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We have our apples in our casserole dish. We're going to go ahead and put on some lemon juice and water on them. We want them to stay good and crisp and fresh. Okay, to this we are going to pour in 1/4 cup of cold water and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, and we're just going to kind of combine this around. Just like this. One tried to escape. We're going to set our apples aside, and now we're going to make our crumb topping. Okay, we need 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and we need 2 cups of packed brown sugar. Okay, so now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. So now we're going to be putting in 1.5 cups of butter. I'm going to melt it. I'm just going to melt it in the microwave, and this is unsalted. So we're going to put it, it's a lot of butter. It's really good. It is February, and it is, what day is this? February, I've lost count of my days. 6. Is it Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday the 6th. I think it is. Tuesday the 6th of, today is Tuesday the 6th of February, sorry. We're going to throw in our 3 sticks of butter, and we're going to melt it, and we're going to put them in here. My kitchen's a mess. We're going to go ahead and put in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt also. We want to bring out the apples. I'm going to bring out the flavor of those apples. I'm just going to pour in our butter. I'm going to kind of make it crumbly. Just kind of mix it around. It's going to have a little bit of a caramel look to it because brown sugar and melted butter. I'm just going to take a spoon, and I'm just going to start spreading this over the top of our apples. I kind of push mine down on the side a little bit. Now we're going to put our apple crisp in the oven for about 50 minutes, and we're going to check on it. Okay, I'll see you back in a few minutes. I cannot wait till this apple crisp comes out of the oven. My house smells so good right now. I wish we had the smell-o-vision. I know people say that all the time, but it smells really good. And I just want to say thank you so much. And I'm so sorry that I was gone for a couple months, but I am glad and thrilled to be back. And we're going to be doing videos every week and a couple a week. And I'm just thrilled y'all are in my kitchen. I also have a part-time job that I work with my best friend. We work together in vending. And so I'm working there 1 day a week. Next week I'm gonna be working 3 days. So, but that's okay. I'm still gonna get my videos out. And I love this job. It's one of the best jobs I've ever had in my whole life. And it just kind of come out of the blue. And I really enjoy it. So you can always start life over at 59, at 49, 39, 29, 69, 79, whatever age you are. So, but I am enjoying doing my videos. Life is kind of slowed down and gotten so much better. And there was just so many personal issues that had to be dealt with, just some sad things. And maybe one day I can share that with you, but right now it's just what it is, and we're going to push through that and just enjoying life again. So, and I'm enjoying life again, and I'm thrilled that you are here watching me today. Please comment below. Let me know what you would like, what kind of cake you would like. There's my little dog. You know, he's always barking. Oh, that's my little girl dog, Chloe. She's always barking. So comment below. Let me know what kind of cake you would like, or if you like, you know, just whatever you prefer. If you're on a low budget and you want some good budget recipes that taste really good. You know, there's some foods that we can make that taste so good that doesn't cost very much. And we don't have to eat like kings to enjoy our food. Guess what? The apple crisp is done. We're gonna take it out of the oven. Oh my gosh. So hot. I can't wait. Look at that crumbly, crusty. Look at those apples down there. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so good. I'm excited. We're gonna let it cool a few minutes because it's piping hot. A little bit of vanilla ice cream. Yum, yum. I'm so excited about this. I love that crisp, the apple crisp on top. Those good old apples. Those apples are so soft and just, let's try it. Oh my gosh. It's good without the ice cream, but nothing beats apple crisp and vanilla ice cream. Go enjoy your afternoon. Have a wonderful day.